Hi everyone. I will teach you like how I am practicing every day English with the fluency or something. Like if you know, I'm also a beginner, but I am every day the practicing English with my own like how I am the practicing English at home means like the every day I am watching some of the videos like for the English understanding. You know, if you the watching the English understanding, so you mean that is where that is helpful because of if you the watching the repeatedly some of the word, yeah, you can remember those words. After that, yeah, you will use that word while you speaking. Like if you the watching any movies, so switch to the English subtitle or English movie. Watch for those if you not understanding it is the okay. Initially it is the not understand for the everyone. After that it will be the understanding for the adapted those words like for the understanding. I'm also the initially I am watching this movie. I can't understand initially. After that, I put on the effect like every day some of the English content. At least the listening it is the 5 to the 10 minutes. So it is the helpful for me. Why I am saying this? The initially it is the lot of the beginners they are struggling. So after that there are the give up. So please don't do that. So if you don't know initially, it's then every person make the mistake, and also it is initially it is the struggling. But if you try into something new, yeah, you can easily understand for that. So yeah, after that you know the lot of the platform also there like the Gemini and the ChatGPT. So you can use those applications while you speaking or if you know any grammatical sentence or if you don't know anything. So please ask that app and that will be suggested for you the helpful for your communication skills. So like if you learn every day like the simple sentence frame, like the simple sentence every day, yeah, you can adapt the English words. Like I will take my mobile. If you the some of the English word use while you something doing in your home or in your if you go to the outside, yeah, I will take snacks. I will buy something ice cream. So these are the simple sentence you take. If we go to some of the public, the area, if the public transport also you're using, yeah, I will use some money. It is the English, yeah, you can use it. Yeah, I have the 50 rupees. You have any changes? So these are the simple use that. And also, yeah, you can use the simple sentence. Yeah, that bus also the public the transport, but that bus inside so many people there. I will they wait for the another bus. So yeah, you can use the simple. Yeah, you will be the achieve something better. So hereafter, like use the simple words like I'm something different. Like I'm also the practicing every day in front of my mobile phone. Take that video. After that, I know the some of the mistake I will do. After that, I learn from that. So yeah, it is the I am the practicing every day, and also I'm the listening lot, and also the reading the comments also lost. So if you like the video, please support my channel and also subscribe my channel. So if you need like any topics I wanna speak, so please let me know in the comment section. I will do in the future. And also if you speak with me like the conversation, the topic, so please let me know in the comment section. I will create Google Meet. Yeah, we will arrange some of the time we will speak, talk about something. After that, put on the video. Okay. Thank you for the watching. I will see next video. So, and also I mentioned like if you any made a mistake, don't worry about that. If you made a mistake, after that you will learn from those mistakes. So don't wait for the perfect time. It is the never came. So do it today. Now start. Okay. Thank you.